Hello guys, I'm back here today to talk about installation, all right? So basically there are two ways of installing Popconvert, all right? One of the ways is when your e-commerce platform is figuring out in this list. So let's say your Shopify, you just click here, you're good to go. Equid, you just click here, you're good to go. WordPress, you can just install VTEX, all right? But so what happens whenever you choose one of these pre-built apps? One of the features of the app is inserting our script into that website HTML coding, that website coding in general. All right. So if you install an app, there's nothing else that you need to do besides that creating your first campaign. So this is one way of installing Popconvert, by selecting an app and installing the app in your e-commerce platform. But what if your e-commerce platform or your website are not listed here yet, right? Okay, you can always reach out to us. We'll be gladly very happy to create installation app for your e-commerce platform. Please reach out to us. But in the meanwhile, you can really super easily add our script to your website. All right, so you can go here to your website, you're gonna find here our script. You can just copy the script and insert it directly, this script, to the footer or to the header of your website. You can always do it using Google Tag Manager, Adobe Tag Manager, any tag manager you want. It's very easy, as simple as adding the pixel of Meta or the script of Google Analytics to your website, all pages, and you will be good to go. All right? And if you have any questions, if you need anything from us, you can reach out at any time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos.